This video is brought to you by Portrait Mode. Hi, and welcome to a new video. This is actually a follow-up video to this one where I pick up the Canon Prima 105 for only 12 bucks at a nearby flea market. When I picked it up, the camera didn't come with any batteries, so I didn't know if it was working or not, but other than that, it was in mint condition. I had to pay another 7 bucks for the batteries and turned out it was actually working, but you never know if it's 100% functioning until you put in a roll of film. So this is what I did the other day. I loaded in a roll of Kodak Gold 200 and took it out on the streets. So as you've seen in the intro already, the camera is working fine and it's actually quite a fun little camera. You can not only bake the date into your photos, but there are also 5 different options, with different messages like happy birthday or congratulations. So I played around with that a little bit and probably messed up some of the photos with that. So before I roll the video for you, let me just quickly talk a little bit about the Prima 105. It obviously is a 35mm point and shoot film camera. And the camera has a zoom range from 35mm to, as the name suggests, 105mm. It also has a built-in flash, and as I mentioned earlier, you can program these different messages into your photos as well as the date. The camera is quite chunky and is also not the quietest. I mean, the motors are working pretty hard, but it does the job. Anyways, I hope you will enjoy this little edit that I put together. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. I put out street photography POVs as well as some other camera tips and tricks videos here on the channel. So yeah, I will stop talking. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you in the next one. Alright, so right here we have the first photo of the roll, and there's nothing particularly special about this photo, but it just gives me that nostalgia. It is that early morning Kodak Gold 200 vibe, and I really like this first shot actually. As you can see, I also baked in the date at the bottom right corner, but yeah, as I said, nothing special, but I really kind of like this photo. This is one of the photos that I messed up by baking in that message at the bottom right corner. It says happy birthday here for basically no reason, but yeah, I just wanted to see how that looks like with these custom messages. Other than that, I think the photo turned out nice. The only thing that's missing here is maybe a subject. This photo didn't quite turn out as I had it in mind. I thought it would look a little better with this person on the right coming in the frame, but it just didn't come across, or the person doesn't stand out enough for it to have that effect that I had in mind when I took the photo. Okay, so before I roll the second half of this video for you guys, I just quickly want to talk about the platform that we have built called Portrait Mode. Portrait Mode is a photo sharing platform specifically for street photography where you can upload your photos, build your portfolio, and connect with other street photographers from around the world. The platform is free, but we have just launched a membership option for users that want to support the project. I will have a link down below in the video description if you want to learn more. So now let's get back to the video. So yeah, as I said earlier, I think I will keep the Prima 105 in my collection, but since film is less and less affordable, I will probably do some more digital street photography POVs here on the channel. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you didn't, a dislike. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.